Hey everyone, and welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial. In this tutorial I will explain you how to create the exploded view of the robotic arm that we have created in our previous tutorials. So let's begin. And here we have our robotic arm that we have created in our previous tutorials. So first you need to select this third option, this one. And here you were able to see under robotic arm assembly the default option in the drop down. So right click on this default option and click on new exploded view. And as you can see on the left side window, we are able to see different options available for the exploded view. So whenever we're gonna select a part, it will appear over here. So for example, if I select the base part, it will appear in this window. We can drag this down like this, and here we can specify the dimensions of how much we want it to go down. Like if we specify 600, it will move down like this. We can also change the dimensions, and as you can see, the part moves accordingly. So we have to select on done button, and it's appear here. This is the history of the exploded view, or you can say the different steps. If for example you check the box, then you have to drop down from here to come back to the exploded view. Right click here and click on the edit feature, and you're back. Then I will move to the left side and 400 millimeters, and then click on the done button. And then I will select the link number 1 and I will move it down, and then here I will specify 400 millimeters. 350 is fine, I think, and then click on the done. And then the next step is select this one and move it to the left side, and here I will specify the same units, 400 millimeter, just like the bottom one, to move it to the left side. And if for example I press the enter button or check the box, then we can right click here and go back to the exploded view. And these are all the steps, or you can say the history of what we have done previously. So right click here and go to the edit features. Now I will select this link and move in the Z direction, because I think it's gonna disassemble like this. So I will specify the distance. So this is going to be 300 millimeters, and then I will click on the done button. Then I will select it again and move it to the left side, and here I will specify the same units, 400 millimeters, and check the box. Then I will select this third link and move it to the left side, and I will specify here 250 millimeters, and finally we are left with the gripper. So we'll select the whole sub assembly and move it to the right side 100 millimeters, and I will click on the done button, and finally I will check the box now. Okay, so now we have to right click here on the exploded view and click on collapse, then again explode. And if we want to animate, then right click here and click on animate collapse. So you will be able to see the animation controller over here. So let me close this window from here. Okay, and here we have different options, for example previous step. So whenever we click on the previous step, then it's going to collapse step by step. And then we have the normal playback option, this one. So if we select this one and click on the play button, then it is going to normally assemble this robotic arm once and not in loop. So here we have the option for the fast forward, so it's going to assemble very quickly. We also have the option for the reciprocate. So when we select this and then hit the play button, then the robotic arm will assemble and disassemble in loops. We have option to slow it down and move it in the fast forward as well. So that's all for this video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.